the Barber Shack. Went to high school here in Bellingham and Whatcom Middle School. I worked for HUD, Seattle Housing Authority, for a lot of years as a case manager. And once my kids were grown, I knew that I wanted to come back up here to be around my mother. She's older. And so I did, eager to do something. I had opened a little barber shop and wanted to build a business. One of our clients is April, and she sits on the Bellingham City Council. And she had shown up here one day out of the blue, and I was cutting hair, and she goes, "Hey, I want to talk to you." So I was done with the client, and I walked over and I sat with her, and she goes, "You know, I talked to the mayor and the city council," and she goes, "We'd like to have a rainbow in the neighborhood somewhere." And she goes, "And I was thinking that bridge," she goes, "the bridge right across the street from us is the coal mine bridge." And I said, "Oh, that'd be a great idea." And she said, "Yeah." She goes, "So why don't you head that up?" And I thought, "Oh my God." And so from that day forward, I just put it out with all my friends on social media and requested 14 teams of 7 or more on each team to paint the bridge. And so we kept meeting like once a month with these team captains and doing field trips out to the bridge. And then we got everything coordinated with the team captains, and we needed sponsorships. So we reached out to the community, and I think we got over 25 local businesses to donate. We had we had a ton. I can't list them because I don't know them all, but a ton of restaurants downtown and local. I know Sherman-Williams, the Salvation Army played a big part. Up in Blaine, the Peace Arch Writers, they were a big part of it. They gathered their people and they helped prime it and scrape it, and so it just became a community event. I knew that I wanted more than just my friends to paint the bridge. You know, I wanted people to be friendly with each other and paint the bridge. So I tried to grab every walk of life that I knew. I grabbed the religious, I grabbed the non-religious, I grabbed every color you can think of, every walk of life. I had the homeless, I had everybody that I could snag out there painting that bridge. And it was a beautiful thing because they were all laughing and having a great time doing it, you know, and people would support us. They'd honk, they'd drop off water, they would drop off money as they drove by, they would be waving, and, you know, and it was just a wonderful experience. It just helped unite, is what it did. It's not a total biblical thing, it's not a total gay thing, it's a unity thing that brought a whole bunch of different walks of life together to come together and do a peaceful project. Because it's all about getting along and seeing each other's point of view.